What has been the hardest part
Oh,
for you building this life of being like a hustler, like from the 2 years that you've been like putting the work?
no, look here, I'm supposed to be retired. I'm supposed to just sit at home and relax. The only problem is I've still got a grandson which I'm looking after. I have to pay the school fees and everything. So um, I'm not doing this by choice. I'm forced out of necessity that I need to make some money to pay what I need to pay.
So it's one of the things that keeps you like going even if the business is low.
Yes, I just have to.
Yes, township taught you about business and survival.
Now look here. Number one, what I find here in Orangeville, the people are very friendly. Nobody has ever been funny towards me. I treat people with respect. They treat me with respect.